going to be looking in onto the life of a cat. So let's find where the cat is. Oh, I see him on that chair. I'm gonna go reveal him. And bring it back cat life. Jinx, are you ready to go viral, boy? Can you see his face? Look at him. So, Jinx has a new big sister named Ray. Let's go find Ray. Jinx, you can go back to hibernating.
You can push his chair back in.
Mom, you're not supposed to talk for the last time. This is 2 videos in a row now. You're gonna be fired. So sorry about that again. You should probably watch my Minecraft on paper video. I just posted it a minute ago. Now, where's that little blind cat? She might be upstairs. Let's go. Okay, Ray's actually a flopper. Correction. She's the smallest breed of flopper. Not the smallest, the second smallest. Oh, okay, second smallest. That was the normal creator. Rainwalker 16, the one who owns the channel. He doesn't feel very well today, so I'm filling in for him. This is small but thick. Oh, look. It's very rare to see that cat out in the open. Hi, Ray. How's it going? She's pretty scared. She can't see very well. She's 8 years old. Her previous owner died. Now she lives with us. She seems to really like my grandmother who just moved in with us. Look at her cute little blue eyes. Bye-bye, Ray. What are you doing, girl? Calm down, calm down.
She doesn't like her face touch.
Nobody, buddy, nobody.
Because she can't see very well, she doesn't like her face touch.
Okay. Let's go. Okay. And now,
Bye, Ray.
More on Jinx. Bye, Ray. Jinx is 3 years old now. Now there comes the doge. All right, Mom. Let's get on with the video. Yes, the cameraman is my mom. All right, we're gonna go off. We go on a Jinx hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. Oh, found him. Yep, he's something like this.
Spotted.
We're on a Jinx hunt. We're gonna catch a fur one. He's right here. I can't get him out because he is on a chair. Wait, maybe I can. Don't show my butt on YouTube.
You can just go over here. Oh, there he goes.
Come on, look onto the chair. What is he doing?
He's going on the other side. Hi, Jinx. Hey, pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, you're pretty too. You're pretty.
Mom, show Jinx. Now I'm gonna try to reveal him. I'm revealing him. Petting you. Don't run. Petting you. Didn't run, did you? That's a good boy. I think he's trained for the camera.
Oh, I can see wings.
Look at him.
Look at that pretty face.
He's 3 years old now. Look at his cute little white blue eyes. Look at his little teeth.
Can't do that to him. Jeez, Charlotte.
Mom, shut your face. And now I'm just gonna do that. Jinx says please like and subscribe. Mom, I want to do my outro. So, Jinx and Ray, they love to play. Yay! Ray is upstairs and hide. And she's hiding, so here's the slink. Here's the slink. Goodbye, like and subscribe. Meow, meow.